Not all blades are the same, and choosing the right one makes all the difference. When cutting concrete or asphalt, using the wrong blade can wear it down fast, cause damage, or worse, deliver a poor quality cut. At Helder's Concrete Cutting, we use specific blades for each surface. Here are the most common ones. We use hard segment blades built to withstand dense, abrasive materials, ideal for floors, slabs, streets, and concrete walls. Recommended blade: Turbo Diamond Blade, used with or without water depending on the job. Here we use special blades that cut freshly placed concrete without cracking it. Timing is key. These are used just a few hours after pouring. Recommended blade: Soft Cutting Blade. Asphalt is softer than concrete, but also highly abrasive. We use blades with softer segments that wear evenly and cut smoothly. Recommended blade: Soft Segment Blade, built for abrasion. Sometimes we cut surfaces that combine asphalt and concrete or have different layers. In those cases, we use multi-purpose blades. They're versatile, but more expensive. Recommended blade: Multi-purpose or high-performance blade. Before cutting, we always consider three things: the surface type, material condition, green, cured, or wet, type of cut, deep, shallow, or controlled. When you cut concrete, you should step cut the concrete when you cut to ensure the right cut. So it's not just about cutting, it's about cutting right. At Helder's Concrete Cutting, we choose the right blade for every challenge because a great cut depends on precision. Each job needs the right blade. Each cut demands the right technique, and we have the experience to make it happen.
Cut, drill, and saw.